Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Brave app on your mobile. So to start, go to the app and tap and hold on it. Now in here, you have a lot of options. So here you have new tab, new private tab, scan QR code, edit home screen, share app, require face ID, or remove app. So tap on remove app, the red one. So here you have two options, remove from home screen or delete app. So tap on delete app, confirm the action, tap on delete again, and the app will be deleted. So to check if it's already deleted, you can go to settings. Now, once you're in settings, you can scroll down and tap on apps, tap on the search bar, and type in Brave. So if no results found, that means it's already deleted. And that's basically it. Now, if you want to install it again, you can do that. You can go to App Store. And once you're in App Store, click on the search bar and just type in Brave Browser. Now, scroll down and tap on Brave Browser and Private Web. Now, to install it again, just click on the iCloud icon. So as you can see, it's now installing. It will only take a few minutes, so just wait for it. Now, once done, just tap on open. So in here, it will ask you to get ad blocking with every site you visit. You can choose not now or set as default. Then tap on continue, tap on start browsing, and you can use Brave browser just like before. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.